Good morning to everyone. So today I'll be telling you one of the event of athletic. This is the simplest and easiest event which comes under the field event of athletic, that is known as long jump. Now first of all, tell me, what do you mean by long jump? In a simple word, you can say that long jump is the athletic field event where one has to jump or cover more distance in a single attempt. So now let me tell you what are the types of or styles of long jump, or you can say techniques of long jump. There are basically two styles of long jump. First one is hang style and the second one is hitch kick. Now let me tell you first what is hang style. Hang style means forming an arc in the air, whereas hitch kick style means cycling in the air. Now, what are the phases of long jump or skills, basic skills of long jump? So, first one is approach run. What is the length of the approach run? So length of the approach run is 40 to 45 meter. Breadth of the approach run 1.22 to 1.25 meter. But as I told that approach run is 40 to 45 meter, but it depends upon the level of the athlete. Now second phase is takeoff, where the takeoff board is placed. An individual has to take off from the takeoff board. Now first of all, let me tell you the dimension of the takeoff board. Takeoff board should be 198 mm to 202 mm wide, 1.22 meter long and 100 mm deep. The color of the takeoff board should be white in color. Now next phase is flight, or you can say action in the air. If you are going for a hang style, you have to make an arc in the air. If you are going for the hitch kick technique, you have to do cycling movement in the air. Next phase is landing. So here three types of landing are there. First one is collapse landing. Second one, swing out landing. And the last one, scoop landing. So about these landings, what is collapse landing, scoop landing, swing out landing, I will tell you all in my next video, where I will demonstrate all these landings so that you can understand what is collapse landing, what is swing out landing and what is scoop landing. Now just in front of the, or in between of takeoff board and landing area, there is a plasticine which is just after the takeoff board, attached to takeoff board. Why this plasticine indicator is fixed there? The purpose of fixing the plasticine indicator is to find out the athletes who has done a foul jump. Now let me tell you the dimension of the plasticine. 98 mm to 102 mm wide, length as usual of takeoff board, that is 1.22 meter long, and 7 mm in height, which should be tapered at 30 degree from side. Now let me tell you the long jump pit dimension. Long jump pit dimension should be 9 meter long, minimum length 9 meter long, breadth should be 2.75 meter to 3 meter, now these all I told about the long jump basic. Now let me tell you the world record of long jump. Who is possessing the world record? 8.95 meter. Who has jumped? Mike Powell. Which year? 1991. And 7.52 meter, Galina. She has jumped this distance in the year 1988. Now let me tell you about the Olympic records. In the men's section, 8.90. Who has jumped? Bob Beamon. In the year 1968. Whereas in the women's section, 7.40. The name of the athlete, Jackie Joyner. In the year 1988, she jumped 7.40. Now, at the last, let me tell you about the Indian record. We should feel proud to say these records. 8.26 in the men's section. I repeat, 8.26 in the men's section. Who has jumped? Sri Shankar Murli. Which year? 16 March 2021. 8.26 Sri Shankar Murli, 16 March 2021. Whereas in the women's section, 6.83 by Anju Bobby George. So these all were the basic knowledge regarding the event long jump, which comes under the field event. I must say athletics is divided or categorized into two events. that is track event and field event. So for today, this much only. Take care and be safe at your home. Thank you.